Perimeter. Before we start with what perimeter is, let's recap a little bit about measurement. So, measurement is the length of an object or distance between 2 points. The units of measurement are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, and 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So what is perimeter? You children that play your computer games, especially the army ones, you often hear the sergeant saying, "Secure the perimeter." What is he actually asking the soldiers to do? Now, the perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a 2D shape, space, or area. So the outside of a rectangle, the outside of a hockey field or netball court, or the boundary fence of the school or your house. That is the perimeter. So if you look at this first shape, it's a rectangle. You can see the perimeter goes from A to B, B to D, D to C, and then C back to A again. So it's 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. The next one, the next picture is a hockey field. So if you look at the horizontal line, the sideline is 91.4 meters, and the goal line is 55 meters. And then obviously because of the rectangular shape, the opposite sides are equal lengths. Hopefully you all recognize this next picture. That's right, it's our grade 3 playground. The arrow is pointing to the perimeter fence of the school, and the yellow lines show the perimeter of the grade 3 playground. They start off at my classroom, go down to Juffrou Olivier's classroom, then across to Miss Smith's classroom, or the corridor between Miss Smith's classroom and the bathrooms, then up to the tennis court at the little shade structure, and then across from the shade structure back to my classroom. That is the perimeter of the grade 3 playground. So how to calculate perimeter? You calculate the perimeter of a shape by adding up the length of all the sides. So for instance, you've got 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. You add them all together using our usual addition method. So if you add all those numbers up, you should get 16 centimeters. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 16 centimeters. So now you're going to calculate the perimeter of the following shapes. I've done the first one as an example for you. It's a triangle, and you can see the different lengths is 11 centimeters plus 13 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. If you add those all up using our usual addition method, should get to 32 centimeters. On the following 2 slides, you'll see 4 more sums for you to do. Work out the perimeter of those shapes using the addition method, and then on the last slide is a memo for mom and dad to see whether you've worked out the sums correctly. Have fun. It's really, really easy to work out.